Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start the next story of your syllabus, Tarot's Reward. Tarot is the name. Reward meaning award. What you get or what one get after doing something remarkable. So this is the story of Tarot, as the title of the story might have suggested you. So before we are starting the story, let's start some of the brief line about the story. This is a story about a thoughtful and loving son. This is the story of Tarot, and he is a very kind and concerned son. He bothers a lot about his parents. He works hard to fulfill his parents' wishes and gets some unexpected help. See, beta, this is the old saying you also might have heard. The way we behaves with other, the same thing returns to us. Because Tarot was a very thoughtful, kind, concerned child for his parents, he always wants to do something good for his parents, so unexpectedly he got some good help. Dear children, in this video you can see somewhere the things are written in Hindi as well. This is your initial time in class 6. That is why I have used this book, so that if somewhere you need some help, so like just to give you a bridge from 5th to 6th, you can use it, but do not make it a habit. For 1 month you can check some Hindi version as well if you need. Though I am trying to use very simple English so that you all will be capable to follow it. So let's begin the story. A young woodcutter named Tarot lived with his mother and father on a lonely hillside. As it is already told to you that this is the story of a woodcutter and his name was Tarot. He was living lonely with his parents on a hillside. All day long he chopped wood in the forest. As he was the woodcutter, so the entire day he was cutting wood in the forest, nearby forest, as he was living near the hillside. Though he worked very hard, he earned very little money. Though he was working very hard throughout the day. He was cutting sincerely the wood, but his monetary status was not very good. He was not earning a lot of amount. This made him sad, for he was a thoughtful son and wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. This made him sad because he was a very thoughtful and concerned child, and he wanted to give everything. He is the Tarot and the parents. He wanted to give everything to his parents but was unable to do so. So this used to make him sad. One evening when Tarot and his parents were sitting in a corner of their hut, a strong wind began to blow. One day what happened? Tarot and his parents were sitting in a corner of their hut, so a strong wind started blowing. It whistled through the cracks of the hut and everyone felt very cold. So, because their hut was also not very strong sort, so when the wind started blowing, so and from the cracks, from the holes of the hut, lots of air was getting inside. Suddenly Tarot's father said, I wish I had a cup of shake. It would warm me and do my old heart good. Sack is a sort of drink, but it's a very expensive drink, and Tarot's father wanted to enjoy it because it could protect him from the severe cold. Now, as a concerned child, Tarot felt very sad. Already he was feeling sad that he was unable to complete the needs of his mother. This made Tarot sadder than ever, for the heartwarming drink called sake was very expensive. Expensive meaning very costly. Where for what you need lots of money. So Taro became very sad. He wanted to give many things to his parents, but he did not have that much money from where he could purchase that particular drink sake. How do I earn more money? He asked himself. How do I get a little sake for my poor father? He decided to work harder than before. Now he had started thinking how he would be able to earn lots of money for his father so that he could purchase sake. But he was thinking only in his mind. This thing he did not want to make his parents sad by realizing the pain of his heart. Next morning, Taro jumped out of bed earlier than usual and make his way to the forest. So next morning, he did his regular routine. He took his axe and started going towards the forest. He chopped and cut as the sun climbed, and soon he was so warm that he had to take off his jacket. His mouth was dry and his face was wet with sweat. So he was cutting, chopping woods. He wanted to earn more money, but the sun was shining and he had started feeling sweating. He removed his jacket, and then when he was sweating, my poor father, he thought, if only he was as warm as I. So that time he was thinking, because he was feeling a lot of warmth, so he was feeling that his poor father should also feel the same warmth what he got, the sweating because of the hard work. And with that he began to chop even faster, thinking of the extra money he must earn to buy the sake or to warm the old man's bones. Now, with the concern of his father, he had started chopping his wood even faster so that he would be capable to help his father a lot. So, dear children, I hope if you will go through this story properly, you would follow each and every line, because the very simple story it is, but it's a heart-touching story where if the child is concerned, then the nature also supports. This is the message of this story. Thank you.